Unlock the power of seamless document management right from your iPhone. Let's dive into using the Docusign app and revolutionize how you handle agreements on the move. First things first, head to your app store and search for Docusign. Once you've found it, tap Get or the cloud icon to download and install the app. It's a quick and easy process that sets you up for mobile productivity. After installation, open the Docusign app if you already have a Docusign account. Simply enter your email address and password to log in if you're new. You can easily create a free account by tapping the Sign Up option and following the on-screen prompts. This only takes a moment. Now, let's explore the core functions. To sign existing documents requiring your attention, tap the Sign option. Docusign will often pull these directly from your email or cloud storage for sending documents to others. Select Send. You can then choose documents from your phone's files, cloud services like Google Drive or Dropbox, or even take a picture of a paper document. Once you've selected your document and you're ready to sign, simply tap on the signature field. A dedicated signing screen will appear. You can either draw your signature by using your finger, or if you've saved a typed version in your profile, you can select that. You can also adjust the appearance if needed. Beyond just your signature, Docusign allows you to fill in other important fields like your typed name, date, or company name. By simply tapping on those designated spots within the document, the app guides you through each required field. After you've completed all the necessary fields, tap the Send or Done button. Usually located in the top right corner, you'll be prompted to confirm the recipients. If you were sending the document, your signed document will then be securely sent to its destination. The real magic of the app is its tracking capabilities. Your Docusign inbox or dashboard will show you the status of all your documents, whether they're in progress, waiting for someone else, or completed. You can access and review signed documents anytime, anywhere. It's the ultimate convenience for managing your professional life on the go.